What is up, guys? It's Gaming Family here, and today we are putting this motherboard into this iPhone 7 body. So yeah, guys, I bought this iPhone 7 128GB board from a buddy in my Discord. Shout out to Jair for that one. This motherboard came with no home button, so I have a replacement JC home button right here, which will bring back the normal click functionality, sadly not Touch ID. But yeah, I went ahead and bought this parts phone off of eBay for $30. This phone has the infamous unable to activate problem. And so yeah, I'm gonna use it for parts. It has everything I need. I didn't have any of the other parts for it, so I'm just gonna use this as a parts phone. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, got the screen separated. We're gonna go ahead and put in the home button first. Yes, I know I have a black home button on a white screen, but I originally ordered this to have a black housing, but this housing is messed up and missing parts. We got that part done. Let's go ahead. Let's get on to swapping the motherboard. And yeah, let's go ahead and get back to putting it all back together. Alright guys, we're all good. All I needed was a battery reset, and now it's working great. So yeah, let's put in the bottom screws and we'll be done. So yeah guys, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe if you're new. Make sure to also go follow my Instagram and come join my Discord. I'll have those up on the screen and also down in the description below. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you.